Hi everyone. In this video lecture we are going to discuss about various operators available in C language. Namely arithmetic operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, relational operators, and conditional operators. Arithmetic operators, here we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, then increment and decrement operators. Here the first four plus, minus, star, divide, these symbols are normally used. These operators are well known for all of us. But whereas the percentage symbol, that is mod operator or modulus operator, are otherwise called as remainder operator, which will provide us the remainder of the division operation. Then the plus plus operator, this increment operator, increments the value of data by 1. Decrement operator decrements the value by 1. Then going to the logical operators, these logical operators are used to combine one or more conditions, that is and or not. In bitwise operators, we have binary and or, exclusive or, one's complement or negate, shift left operator and shift right operators. These operators will perform operations bit by bit as the name implies.